Welcome to Our Senses. Today, we're discussing the single most important skill you need to thrive, not just survive, in the age of artificial intelligence: curiosity. If you are new to this topic or feel overwhelmed by the speed of technological change, you are in the right place. We create methodical, easy-to-digest content for beginners. Consider this. In the next 5 years, AI won't just perform tasks, it will redefine entire roles. When machines handle the knowing, what is left for us to do? The core problem is this: knowledge becomes outdated rapidly. What was considered a stable skill yesterday might be automated tomorrow. Relying only on what you already know is a risk. This video will show you why the drive to learn, or curiosity, is superior to static intelligence. By the end, you will understand how to harness curiosity to adapt, spot new opportunities, and maintain relevance in this shifting economic landscape. Here is our plan. First, we will examine the Great Restructuring. Then, we cover the superpower of admitting, "I don't know," why curiosity beats raw intelligence, how to adopt the scout mindset, and finally, how to become the eternal student. The AI era is defined by machines handling complex, repetitive, and data-intensive tasks far better than humans. This changes the skills valued in the workplace. The shift is happening faster than many expected. We are moving from valuing static knowledge to valuing dynamic adaptation. This pace of change demands a proactive approach to learning. Curiosity is the fuel for adaptation. When you are curious, you naturally seek out new problems and new methods. This active seeking is what keeps you ahead of automation. This leads us directly to our next key idea: navigating the Great Restructuring. The Great Restructuring means jobs are changing, not always vanishing. AI automates components of a job, requiring humans to step into new, creative, and interpretive roles. Curiosity helps you ask, what is AI making possible now? Or how can I integrate this tool to create new value? This questioning mindset is how you spot new roles before they become common. Now that we have a grasp on the Great Restructuring, let's see how it relates to perhaps the most courageous act in the AI era: admitting, "I don't know." In a world of constant innovation, the willingness to acknowledge gaps in your knowledge is a massive advantage. It means you are ready to acquire new information, rather than defend outdated beliefs. Think of your knowledge as software. If you do not install updates, your system eventually crashes. Admitting, "I don't know," is simply checking for the necessary updates. This willingness to update leads us directly to why curiosity beats raw intelligence. Raw intelligence is the capacity to learn quickly. Curiosity is the drive or motivation to seek new information actively. AI already handles the capacity for vast data processing. We must focus on the motivation to direct that processing. The highly curious person, even if initially less intelligent, will always try new approaches, ask critical questions, and explore tangents. This leads to discoveries the highly intelligent but uncurious person will miss. Now that we understand why the drive to learn matters more than just the capacity to learn, let's explore the essential mindset shift required. The soldier mindset defends current beliefs and defends the ego. The scout mindset seeks truth and accuracy, even if it means changing direction or admitting an error. Curiosity fuels the scout. Adaptation is simply a series of changes based on new information. The scout is constantly gathering this new data, making them inherently more adaptable than the soldier, who is too busy defending old ground. This commitment to the scout mindset brings us to our final core idea: becoming the eternal student. An eternal student views learning not as a phase, but as a commitment. They recognize that skills acquired today have a short shelf life, and the process of gaining new skills is the skill itself. To start your journey, Dedicate 15 minutes daily to exploring a new topic related to AI, even if it is completely outside your comfort zone. Read articles, ask simple questions, and explore tangents that genuinely spark your curiosity. We have covered a lot of ground today, from navigating the Great Restructuring to adopting the Scout mindset. Remember, the AI revolution demands that we prioritize curiosity, willingly admit when we do not know something, and embrace the role of the eternal student to stay adaptable. Do not seek to be the smartest person in the room. Seek to be the most curious. This commitment is what will position you to lead in the new era shaped by AI. We value your input. Please leave any questions or comments about curiosity and AI below. If this methodical pace of learning helped you, like the video and subscribe to Our Senses for more content. Thank you for watching.